The problem of facts and their interpretation. All AI systems are based on facts or data and their interpretations. This is the root of all bias problems related to AI. AI systems are trained to scan data and find learning from it, but they are not equipped to understand the reason behind a particular conclusion or learning. Microsoft created and released 𝐷, an experimental Twitter chatbot. It was a conversation learning AI that was created to test various user scenarios. 𝐷, according to Microsoft, will become smarter the more you converse with it. Sadly, 𝐷 learned from hundreds of tweets and formed a racist personality in less than 24 hours after its introduction. There was no programming error or hacking for the consequences. The problem was that 𝐷 did exactly what it was designed to do. It started mimicking the users who were talking to it. It learned from what was being fed to it without interpreting the inputs.